Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Aquarius, your word of the day is freedom through faith. This is the third door. You have to continue. Consistency is key. You had the faith to start. You had the faith to become creative. You had the faith to think of, wow, what is my next step? You had spirit. What should I do? What are my gifts? What is my purpose? You found your purpose. Now it's time to fall in love with your service. And serving every single day consistently is going to bring your crowd. Everyone loves Aquarius. You guys are the adventure sign, and everyone loves to not only learn from you, but also teach you new cultural things so you can teach the rest of the world. I calm my thoughts and I rise above fear, and I free myself of all doubt by entrusting my doubts to God. I have the faith in God's perfect timing and placement, and I trust His will to find freedom by staying consistent. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.